him. You're good. Well, at least he called her over. And she still was like in the way, yeah, like move over. Whoa! That was a double bump. Yep. I don't know what trail he didn't go down. That guy was crazy. Woo! Woo, made it up. Oh God, the hill. Up the crack to the right. With momentum, keep it going. Yep. This is basically becoming a harder and harder area to ride. Well, I know, hey, it's fine for us, but for anyone starting out, I mean, it's not a good, it's becoming less and less of a good starter place. That's true. The rocks do kind of have always made it a challenge. Really? Blue? I wouldn't say it's blue, but... Really? I could take my bicycle up that? Fuck. Whoa! Oh shit. Whoa! That's right, you could carry a bicycle up this. I'll wait until I'm down at the switchback here. Whoa, 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 whoa. Oh, I'm stalled. Yeah, my hand's hurting too. I'm almost there. Yeah. This will be interesting on the side-by-side, I tell you. Coming up. Yeah, they do have the winch stake in front of me. At least somebody kind of smoothed it out here since last time. Could've, should've. I suck. Well. Woohoo! Whoa. Woo! None of the options here are any good. Fuck, I'm going up the easy way. Whoa! You jinxed it. Whoa. God, that's steeper than... That's not too bad. Woohoo! Hey, at least I don't fall, but... I need a new bike. Yeah, if I can get straight up right here, it flattens and then just follow it around. In theory. Woohoo! There we go. I'm up. Did you drop? Really? Yep. Damn, I'm too far up. Didn't get the good crash. Cut to the left, to the right. Woohoo, down. Whoa. Whee! Your best bet, even if you could get here, would be up to this point. Try not to fall off there and ride this ledge out. Concludes today's ride. It was awesome. Please like, subscribe, and join us on our other rides. Have a good one. Bye.